Hello dear students, this is our first class on operating system. This is introduction to operating system. So first is concept of operating system. When we were working in any computer or desktop or laptop, we have two components. One is user interface, such that command line interface or graphical user interface. Graphical user interface means the screen or monitor of the computer after turning it on. And application programming interface, which means our application programs such as WhatsApp, Chrome browser, Gmail, these are our application programming interfaces. And command line interfaces, command prompt and graphical user interfaces like the screen of the computer, these are our user interface. An operating system acts as an intermediary between these two, between the application programs and the user interface. If there was no operating system in a computer, when we were working in WhatsApp, we have to write a code for each and everything we do, and the code will get executed and then we will get our output. This is impossible for those who have no knowledge about coding or computer science. If you are not a computer science student, still you can use WhatsApp, and that is because of operating system. An operating system is the fundamental software that manages a computer's hardware and software resources. Hardware resources of computers include the keyboard or motherboard of the computer, the screen or monitor of the computer, the mouse, etc., the printer. And the software resources such as application programs or application programming interfaces, WhatsApp, Google Chrome, Gmail, and user interfaces such as command line interfaces, graphical user interfaces, these are our software resources. So it acts as a bridge. Operating system acts as a bridge or as an intermediary between the user interface and the application programming interface. It enables the execution of programs and manages tasks like memory allocation. So when we are storing any music in MP3 format, MP4 format, how much memory will be allocated for that file storage, where the file will be stored, such as in desktop or any C drive, D drive, all these are decided by the operating system. And output devices are working properly because of this operating system. Input-output devices means input device is the motherboard of the computer, and output devices are the monitor or screen of the computer and the printer. These are output devices.